Rhymbil is now online. Hey guys and girls, today I'll be teaching you how to access variables from other scripts. Let's go. Alright, here I have two HTML files all set up. One is called first.html, second is called second.html. So here we have a variable in second.html, and this variable is car, and this car is equal to a string Lamborghini. So how do we access this car variable in HTML1? So this is really easy to do. All you have to do is go to your first.html, and in your header tag or head tag, go ahead and type in script source is equal to, and in quotes you want to type in second.html. Easy. So now if you go ahead and save, go to your first.html, reload, you should now see you have an error in your console.log telling you have an unexpected token and a less than symbol. Point is, you can't do this. You need to separate your HTML page from your JavaScript page. So when we go back to Notepad, we're going to go ahead and create a separate JS page, which is just going to have our code. So once you finish separating your JS file from your HTML file, you need to reference that JS file in your HTML file, so that way you can still connect your scripts. And don't forget to save your script as second.js. And back in our first.html, we want to change our second.html to second.js. So this is basically what we have going on. We have two boxes, which is our first and second HTML pages. And in our first HTML, we're trying to access our second HTML for the script in our second HTML. But the problem is we can't access that without going through the HTML, and that's all confusing to, well, the computer or whatever's running it. So we have to separate our script from the HTML and now connect our first.html to the actual script by itself. And this means we're also going to need to connect our second HTML to our second script. And that's why we separate them, so it makes it easier. So if you go back and reload the page, you see it still doesn't work. And that's it guys. Until next time, Rhymbil out. So basically we did an oopsie. So just go ahead and replace your script tag with this. So now if we go back to our first.html and reload the page, it works. We can see our alert system working, meaning that we can now access the variable in our second.html. And the last thing you should remember when accessing variables from other scripts is you want to put other scripts tags before yours. If you don't do this, then it's not going to work. You're going to get a bunch of random errors telling you there's a problem. And that's it guys. That's how to access other variables from different scripts. And until next time, Rhymbil out.